welcome back to another episode of Smoking on a Budget. So in one of my last videos I had talked about I wanted to put a gasket around the door frame so that way we don't lose some smoke coming out of that, because there are little holes inside of here that can let smoke out, and then if the door doesn't sit completely flush you can lose some smoke that way too. So what I did was we had just got done using this for another video, so make sure you like, subscribe, share, tell everybody that you know about it. Let's learn this smoking thing together, all right? Smoking on a budget. So what we're gonna do is I ordered this smoke gasket from Amazon. It is a 2-pack, and it is actually made by Smoker Chef. And what's really cool that I like is that it says it's 6 easy steps. So what they tell you to do first is, if you have another gasket on your smoker already, to go ahead and remove it, take a razor blade and cut off any of the glue that's left over. I did not have one of those, so I don't need to do that step. I do have some Easy Off degreaser. It is an oven degreaser. It's actually one of the best that I have found on the market with my restaurant experience and background. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting that gasket here right along this area. I have already pre-cleaned it, but I want to do one last kind of wipe down. So I kind of just give myself, and then here I let it roll down, and then I make sure to get the bottom. Don't worry about the chemicals that are going inside of the grill, because I will be cleaning that at a later date. You have got to allow 12 to 24 hours before you reuse your grill after installing this gasket. Allow that adhesive to do its job and work. You can see, even though I pretty much detail cleaned it extremely well, we still have some grease on there. But basically I'm just going to wipe her down. And now I'm going to start taking my measurements. I'm going to find the end here.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.